Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTutorTherapy, back with another video. This is teacher Adele, and today we're going to talk about the payroll page and your money. Let's begin. For those of you who are new to iTutor Group, something you need to know is when the payroll page is updating, sometimes some payments will go missing or disappear for a while. It can be up to 24 hours or even 48 hours. The important thing is they always come back. However, sometimes they do not come back, and this is what we're going to talk about today for you to keep your tracks and know everything that should be on the payroll page and never lose any money. Now, the first tip for the new teachers at iTutor Group or anyone who's not doing that is actually keep track of your own finances. Do it on an Excel sheet. You already know your base rate, you already know your bonuses, and every time you teach a session and you know it's a successful session, go ahead and put that on the Excel sheet. Just for you to have a list of all the sessions that you have taught and the numbers that you put yourself, and this will help you compare with the payroll page later and make sure that there are no discrepancies or no differences. And this can help you a lot to remember if something goes missing from the payroll page, you're gonna have your Excel sheet. Now, since your Excel sheet is not official, it cannot hold any value in any communication with the payroll team other than just you claiming that you need to be paid for this session. So the second thing I recommend for you is actually to keep taking screenshots of the payroll page every single day, showing the new things that were added to it. I know it sounds tedious, I know it's kind of stupid for some of you, but however, when something goes missing and it doesn't come back after 24 hours or 48 hours, you're gonna be so thankful that you have these screenshots and actually cover your tracks and cover everything and send it to them, and you can tell them, hey, this was here, now it's not. Where is it? And they can actually use this information to locate that missing session and put it back, and many times they're gonna apologize to you for the glitch in their system. Alright, another thing that you need to know is actually if you don't want to take a lot of screenshots because it's a lot of work and it's too much of a hassle, to be honest, you can do something else that's a little riskier, however it's also very useful, which is do not close the payroll page after you are done checking your payroll or your pay for today, and then leave it, and then comes tomorrow or the day after. You can open a new page while the old page is still open, and you can compare two pages. If something's gone missing, you have an older page that hasn't updated yet, and you have a new page with the missing stuff, and then you can see that there's a discrepancy. And in that case, maybe you can quickly take a screenshot of the old and the new, send it to the payroll, and tell them, what's up, where's my money? So the important thing is, the payroll system is not perfect sometimes, and some things do fall through the cracks. Whether they are demo signups that disappear and never come back, or regular sessions that disappear or never come back, or even a session where the client gave you a rating, but the bonus from that rating doesn't show, just there can be a list of possible things that doesn't make sense to you when you are checking your payroll page. The best thing for you to do is to have everything recorded and send it to the payroll team, and this is going to make your job and their job a lot easier to fix that problem, and they will always believe you because there is no chance they will not believe you after you provided proof and pictures of everything that you have. On the payroll page, there are actually many things that you can see at the same time. You can see your regular session payments, your 25-minute session payments, your demo payments, and the demo signups if you have any. However, there is something hidden that you cannot see on the payroll page, which is considered or called the other pay. And the other pay is the money that you get paid if there is a bonus or a promotion that they are running for a while. If you sell or submit a video to iTutor Group or materials to iTutor Group, they do pay you, and the payment appears in other pay. If you teach any kind of special sessions that are not the typical standard 45 and 25-minute sessions, again, they pay you on other pay. Now, other pay is something that you cannot see, which makes it even extra important for you to keep track of these types of sessions or these types of things that will give you a payment that will go under other pay, so you can compare it and confirm it at the end of the month that it's actually received with the payment and nothing fell through the cracks. Now, something you need to know about the other pay is it works kind of like the demo signups. If you receive an other pay or something that goes under other pay category after the 24th of the month, you are not going to receive this payment the 10th of the next month immediately. You're actually going to receive it, and it's going to get rolled over and put on top of the payment of the month coming after that. So for example, let's say you have something that was submitted as other pay for you on the 25th of July. This money is not coming to you on the 10th of August with the next paycheck. It's actually going to roll to August payment, and it will come to you on the 10th of September. Okay, so if something like this happens to you, you need to understand that the other pay system works from 24 to 24 of each month. They do not take the last week of each month immediately. It carries over to the next month or the month after that. And that's it. Actually, these days, it's really important to keep tracks of your own finances. So many glitches, so many mistakes made by some people, and we do not want to suffer any disappointments or problems because of that. So it's very useful and very important for you guys to keep track of your own finances, take screenshots, cover your tracks, make sure you got everything under surveillance. So in the end, you will know how much you're exactly owed, and if there is any discrepancy, you will be able to ask for your money that you work for. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it very much, and it helps me more than you think, especially in these hard times. Feeling the support that we give to each other is very important. Thank you so much. Hope to see you next time. Again, take care. See you next time. Peace.